Subscribe to Grazia and press on the bell icon.
We are the curators and founders of the Thaiphoon. Thank you, Grazia, for giving us this opportunity. So let us talk about this dish that we are going to do, the Drunken Noodle, wherein there is no alcohol actually in this dish. In Thai, we call it the Kee Mao, wherein Kee Mao is the drunkard. So the story goes that the drunkard spends all day drinking. When he comes home, he insists on eating this dish. This dish is usually so spicy, which helps them to sober down the hangover next morning. So spicy that you had to be drunk to numb the heat of the palate. So now let us show you how this dish is. The recipe called the Drunken Noodle. Chef Surya will show us all the ingredients and all the recipe, how this is done.
Okay, we'll start with the chopped garlic, sliced onion, carrot, broccoli, bamboo shoot, mushroom, baby corn and basil leaf, and we have some chopped red chili, chopped green chili, light soy, dark soy, oyster sauce, sugar, and the main ingredient tofu and rice noodle. Put oil in the wok to fry tofu, just to make it brown. It takes time about 30 seconds.
So we've added the garlic, onion, some chopped green chilies and red chilies. Now we add the vegetables to it. That's the baby corn, some mushroom, some bamboo shoot, some carrots and some broccoli.
And cook about 2 minutes for soften the vegetables. Next step, we add noodles with a seasoning of oyster sauce, light soy, and dark soy. We fry the noodles with the sauce first. Until the noodles combine well with the sauce. We add and some pinch of sugar.
Disconnecting wireless device.
And the final, we put the basil leaf. You can see full hand of basil leaf.
So here your drunken noodle is ready now. It's going to subject you to those high levels of pungency. Our dishes bring you authentic flavors of Thailand which are subtle, delicate and flavorful. I hope you have liked this video. Do try this recipe at home and share your feedback.